Thank you. It's a great honor for me to be here tonight to present the award for Best Film. Ireland has always provided magical locations for filmmakers, and in recent years it's becoming recognized as a producer of very high-quality films. And the nominees for Best Film are and the IFTA goes to Garage.
Thank you. We have a lot of people we'd like to thank who helped us get this very important film made. I'd particularly like to thank Simon Perry and the Irish Film Board, who came in very quickly and early. RTE were important supporters, BCI, and our friends of Film 4.
Of course, I'd also like to thank our wonderful cast and crew, and Pat Short, who's just terrific and a real pleasure to work with. All the gang at Element, who worked very hard all the way through, and the wonderful Lenny Abramson and Mark O'Halloran. We're just very lucky to be part of their show. So thanks, guys.